Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a popular natural remedy for blood sugar control that you won't want to miss. We'll explore the benefits of taking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed and how it can help regulate blood sugar levels. So, if you're curious to learn more about this remedy, be sure to stick around until the end of this video. The idea of taking 2 tablespoons of a particular substance before bed for perfect blood sugars has gained popularity in recent times. This method is often touted as a natural and effective way to control blood sugar levels, especially for individuals living with diabetes. In this video, we will explore this claim in detail, examining the substance that is usually recommended and whether it is effective in regulating blood sugar levels. The substance that is often recommended for taking 2 tablespoons before bed is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It has a sour taste and is often used in cooking, as a salad dressing, and as a natural remedy for various health issues. Apple cider vinegar is believed to have several health benefits, including weight loss, improved digestion, and blood sugar control. When it comes to blood sugar control, apple cider vinegar works by slowing down the rate at which food is absorbed in the body. This, in turn, helps to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels, especially after meals. Apple cider vinegar also helps to improve insulin sensitivity, which is the body's ability to use insulin effectively. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels in the body, and when insulin sensitivity is low, blood sugar levels can become erratic. Several studies have investigated the effectiveness of apple cider vinegar in regulating blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that consuming apple cider vinegar before meals significantly reduced postprandial, after-meal, blood glucose levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The study also found that apple cider vinegar improved insulin sensitivity in the participants. Another study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming apple cider vinegar before a high-carbohydrate meal resulted in lower blood sugar levels compared to a control group that did not consume apple cider vinegar. The study also found that apple cider vinegar reduced the insulin response to the meal, suggesting that it improved insulin sensitivity. While the above studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can be effective in regulating blood sugar levels, it is essential to note that the results are not consistent across all studies. A study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that consuming apple cider vinegar before a high-carbohydrate meal did not have a significant effect on postprandial blood glucose levels in healthy individuals. The study did, however, find that apple cider vinegar improved insulin sensitivity in the participants. It is also essential to note that consuming apple cider vinegar in large amounts, or on its own, can be harmful to your health. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic and can erode tooth enamel, damage the digestive tract, and cause skin irritation if not diluted properly. Consuming large amounts of apple cider vinegar can also lower potassium levels in the body, which can lead to muscle weakness and other health issues. Therefore, if you decide to take 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed, it is essential to dilute it properly and avoid consuming large amounts. A common way to dilute apple cider vinegar is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar with a glass of water or another beverage. You can also add honey or another natural sweetener to make the mixture more palatable. Apart from apple cider vinegar, other substances that have been recommended for blood sugar control include cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric. These substances contain compounds that have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. However, it is essential to note that the evidence supporting the use of these substances is limited, and more research is needed to establish their effectiveness. In addition to natural remedies, there are several other lifestyle changes that can help regulate blood sugar levels. These include eating a healthy and balanced diet, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and managing stress levels. Thank you for watching our video on taking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bed for perfect blood sugars. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Don't forget to leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more with you in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.